afternoon to you all. First of all, I thank our management, our principal sir, our vice principal ma'am, our PRO ma'am, and my beloved HODs for computer science and computer application. I wish you a very warm welcome to this presentation. Online teaching and meeting apps. In this topic, we are going to see about Google Forms. Google Forms is a survey administration app that is included in the Google Drive Office suite along with Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. How to use Google Forms? You can use Google Forms to create online surveys and quizzes and send them to other people. Step 1. Set up a new form or quiz on your Android phone or tablet. Open a mobile web browser like Chrome. Go to forms.google.com and go to Google Forms. A new form will open automatically. Step 2. Edit and format a form or quiz. You can add, edit or format text, images or videos in a form. Edit your form. Create a quiz with Google Forms. Choose where to save form responses. Step 3. Send your form for people to fill out. When you are ready, you can send your form to others and collect their responses. Now it's time to go a full demo of how to create a Google Forms in Android mobile or laptop. Next we move on. Google Chrome. Search Google Forms. Sign in with your email ID. The Google form will open. Type your title. My form title is Cyber Security Online Quiz. Next, we move on. Next field. Type the participant's full name field. Type full name. Choose the question type. I am going to choose short answer. Next, we move on. Enable the required. It's a very important. The user must answer for this question. So, enable required is a very important one. Next, we move on. Next question. Click the plus icon in the bottom of the form. Type the question. My first question, the title is What is the size of an IP address? Choose the question type. I am going to choose multiple choice. Add option. Add my first option is 64-bit. And click add to add another option. The second option is 128-bit. And add another option. Click add. The third option is 16-bit. And add another option. The fourth option is 32-bit. And close others. Then enable required. Then create another question. Click the plus icon in the bottom of the form. The second question is UDP is an unreliable protocol. Choose question type. I am going to choose check boxes. Add first option. My first option is true. Add another option. Click add. My second option is false. This question I have only two options, true or false. So close others. Next click enable required. Next we move on answer key. So in the top of the page, click the three dots and go to settings. Click quizzes. Enable this. Make this a quiz. Click save. Next, the first question, the bottom of the question, answer key link is visible. So click that link. Set your answer key. The correct answer for this question is 32 and set your points. I am going to set 1 points for this question. Click done. Next we move on second question. Click that question and the bottom of the page the answer link visible. Click that link. Set your answer key and set your points. Click done. Next we move on preview. Check your form. So go to preview. Click the three dotted lines. Click preview and check your form. First type your name. Choose the first answer and second one. Submit. View score 2 out of 2. So next we come back again. Next we move on certificate. So how to create certificate and how to send certificate to your students or participants. Click this three dotted lines and go on add-ons. Click certify EM. Enable certify EM in this quiz. Get started. The dialog box will open. Turn on your certification status. Turn on. Click here. Turn on. The certification is on. Next, set your passing score. I am going to set 80%. Next, set your templates, your certification templates. Lot of certification templates available here. So I am going to choose a custom template. Close this. So choose your own certificate templates. Select your file. I have already done this slides certificate with the help of Google Slides. I will choose this. Select. Save changes. So next we move on responses. See your responses, the first question and the second question. Next we move on the link. Click the arrow button. Click the link icon. The link will open here. Shorten URL. Copy your URL. The URL is copied. Then we move to your browser and check it your form. paste your link here. Search. Your form will open. Yes, the form will open. Type your email address. It is this field is already automatically generated in the form. So type your email address and type your full name and answer the questions. The first question is 32 and second question is true. You need any copy of this responses, enable this, otherwise just leave it. Directly click submit and view score 2 out of 2. So the certificate is automatically generated to your registered email ID. So I'm going to check my email. The certification is automatically generated here. I click my certificate. The certification is open. My name, the course name, percentage and date. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.